Hey, what are you doing in the other room? Hey, baby? What are you doing? Hello? Hi. Hello? Hello? Hello, baby. Don't lick it. We've talked about this. Don't do it. Okay? Hey! Don't lick it, I said. Don't give me that attitude. You know you're not supposed to lick it. This is not your wood chew thing. Yeah. You have thousands of things in your cage that you could definitely lick and chew. This isn't one of them. Huh? Yeah? Okay. Well, I don't want to see your butt. Come on, turn around. Turn around. What a pretty baby. Don't lick it, I said. God, what's... No, I don't care. What? Stop it. Don't do it. Don't lick it. You're just bad. Don't. Chewy. Good. Well, don't pull out your feathers over it, you know? Like, it's... I just don't want you... I just don't lick it, okay? Alright, I'm glad we understand each other. So you're not gonna lick it? So you're not gonna lick it? Yeah, okay, good. For some reason, though, I don't believe you, you know? Don't lick it! What's wrong with you? Don't do it! Ah! Hey! Don't. Don't lick it. You're not allowed. I'm glad you understand, but you're not listening. If you understand, you wouldn't lick. Don't lick it! Ah, stop. That's it. Come here. We're done. We are done. Okay. We are done. No more licking. Well. Yeah. Don't lick it. Don't do it. See, you're a pretty bird. What a pretty bird. Go. Well, say it. Don't shake your head at me. Just do it. No. Fine. Just don't you do it, okay? Okay, bye. Say bye.